So if there's anything I want you to take out of this video is this: consistency is never about not missing. There's another universe. Please make some noise. Can we talk about consistency for a second? Because I honestly think that this is one of the most misunderstood things when it comes to weight loss, fitness, and healthy habits. So if you ever found yourself saying, I always start, but I can't stay consistent, or you keep starting all over every Monday, or you keep asking yourself, why is it that everyone else can do it except me? This video is for you, because the reason why I'm doing this video, because I think that a lot of people don't struggle with consistency. What they struggle with is their understanding of what consistency truly means. Here is the thing: a lot of us have this perfect picture in our mind that consistency means showing up every single day, never missing a workout, eating healthy every single day, never eating junk, never falling off track, never having a bad week. And once we are not doing all of these things, it means that we are failing. But honestly, I don't think anyone can truly live like that, because it is unrealistic. Life does not work like that. Life is messy. Some week you're going to be motivated. Some week you're going to be tired. Some week you're going to be on top of the game. Some week you're just going to be surviving. And as human, life is going to get busy. Work is going to get stressful. You probably have kids who needs you. Family responsibility taking another side of you. And there are going to be days where you wake up, you don't even have the energy to exercise. And even a routine that is working perfectly well is going to fall apart. But what do most people do at this point? Instead of understanding that this is part of being human, they start beating themselves up. They start questioning everything. They start telling themselves, I knew I wasn't going to be able to do it. I always quit. I am not disciplined enough. But what if that's not the actual problem? What if the problem is not that you're being inconsistent? What if the problem is that you're expecting yourself to be perfect? Because there's a huge difference between consistency and perfection. Perfection says, I am going to do this exactly right now. While consistency says, even if I fall off track, I am going to keep coming back. Those are completely two different things. Another mistake I see a lot of people make is starting way too extreme. You haven't exercised in months. All of a sudden, you're exercising 7 days a week. You're cutting out all the food you enjoy. You're trying to change your entire lifestyle overnight. The truth is that for a few days, it is going to feel exciting. You're going to feel motivated, determined. In fact, you're going to be all in with your full self. But when reality starts showing up, your excitement is going to wear off and your routine will start feeling difficult. And now you're trying to maintain something that was never realistic in the first place. You start blaming yourself when really the plan was the problem. Please, a good routine is not the one that looks impressive. A good routine is the one you can stick with, because what matters isn't what you can do for a week. It is what you can keep doing even in months to come. Can we also talk about motivation? Because I think a lot of people are always waiting to feel motivated before they can take action, when in reality, you can never feel motivated every single time. I love fitness. I talk about fitness every single time, but I have days where I wake up, I don't feel like exercising, and that's normal. Nobody feels motivated all the time. Motivation comes and goes, and that's the reason why you don't have to build your journey around motivation. You have to build it around habits. So this is how I want you to approach consistency, so that whenever you're falling off track, it doesn't feel like you're failing. Consistency can sometimes be amazing. Consistency can sometimes be a great workout, healthy meals. And consistency can also be you saying, you know what, I don't have energy for a full body exercise today, but I'm just going to go for a walk. Or consistency can also be that, oh, I haven't been eating well lately, but today I'm going to make one better choice. Or it can also be that this week wasn't great, but I am not quitting up on myself. That is what consistency is. I think this is the part people don't talk about enough. Real consistency make room for real life, because life is always going to happen. There's always going to be busy seasons. There's always going to be stressful seasons. And there are always going to be things that will throw you off track. So if your plans always work when life is perfect, then your plan is not realistic. The truth is that the goal is not to create a routine that works only on your best days. The goal is to create a routine that works even on your hard days, because that's when you truly matter. So if there's anything I want you to take out of this video is this: consistency is never about not missing. Consistency is never about being perfect. Consistency is not about getting everything right. Consistency is about coming back after bad days, coming back after bad weeks, coming back after vacation, coming back after life gets busy, coming back after falling off track. Because people who succeed aren't people who never struggle. They are people who refuse to quit. And trust me, there is a difference. So I want to know your biggest struggle when it comes to staying consistent. Is it motivation, time, being tired, starting all over? Let me know in the comment section because I would love to hear your experience. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.
I just had to let you know you're. She ain't having baby bullshit.